cookie cutters. Muffy, why don't you take off your cone so you can play? Oh, Nana, Dad said I cannot remove this cone. Stripe, why don't you let Muffy play without her cone? Mom, she was eating the dough. Oh. Muffy, if I take off your cone, you promise not to eat the dough? Yeah, I promise. Okay, let's remove the cone, just so you can play. Oh, thank you, Nana. You're welcome, sweetheart. So look, we have here 1, 2, 3, and 4 cookie cutters. Muffy, why don't you make your mold first and show us how it's done? Oh, okay, Nana, thank you. I wanna make, excuse me, everybody. I'm gonna make a frog. Woo, froggy. Oh, this cookie cutter is so cool. And look, we're gonna make a froggy. And for that, we're gonna need some dough. Dad, where's my dough? Here you go, Muffy. Thank you. Ooh, look at this yellow dough. Ooh. Oh, look at this yellow dough. Oh, I think I'm ready to mold. Muffy, you're not eating the dough, are you? No, of course not. Muffin, you're eating the dough. I'm sorry, honey, but you have to keep your cone. Keep it on so you don't eat the dough. You cannot eat this dough. This is not cooking dough. This is Play-Doh. It's for molding. Okay, I'm sorry. It's just that it looked so good. I know, sweetheart. But with the cone on, then you don't have any temptations. Okay? Okay, Dad. Can I continue to mold my froggy? Yeah, okay. Mold your frog. All right. Dad, I think I need the rolling thing. Oh, yeah, I got it. Move over, Muffy. Here's the rolling tool. Ooh. You can roll this dough just like you roll a pizza dough. Whoop. Okay, I'm ready. Froggy, come on. Zoop. Let's remove this dough. Ooh, I wanna look at my froggy. Ooh, look how easy it's gonna be to remove from this molding tool. The cookie cutter, you push and the froggy is out. Look at my froggy. Ribbit. Oh, this froggy needs some eyes. Let's work on the eyes. White. And now black. And the eyeballs. Whoop. Oh, look at my froggy. It's so perfect. What does the frog say? Ribbit. Oh, so cute. Ribbit. Froggy. My turn to make my mold. I'm gonna make a lion. What does the lion says? Rawr. Look at my cookie mode. Cookie. Okay, Dad, where's my dough? Here you go, Socks. Ooh, it's sparkling pink dough. Whoop. Oh, look, butt print. Butt print. Let's roll it up. Roll, roll, roll. And then cookie cutter. Press it. And let's take a look at the lion. Whoa! Look at my lion. What does the lion says? Oh, it's so pretty. I love the sparkling Play-Doh. Okay, Mom, it's your turn to make your mold. Oh, okay, all right. Don't rush me. What are you gonna make? I think I'm gonna make an elephant. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Let me get your dough. Here you go. Ooh, red elephant. That's gonna be good. What do we do first? Roll out the dough. Okay, rolling it up. And now we use the cookie cutter. Yep. Okay. Press it. Oh, look at that. It came out super easy. Let's take a look at this elephant. Oh, look at that. That was so easy. And look at my elephant. What does the elephant says? Is that good? Is this what the elephant says? I think it is. Well, that was close, Nana. I think it does. Nope, you're all wrong, but okay. Let's see what I can make. I'm gonna make a zebra. Ooh, look at my cookie cutter. And for my zebra, I'm gonna use blue. Oh, this blue has sparkles on it. Let's use the cookie cutter all the way down. Oh, this is easy to use. Let's press it. And let's take a look at the zebra. Whoa. Uh-oh. I think I smashed its face. Yeah, I gotta do it again. Oh, Dad, you have to be patient. I am patient. Okay, let's press it. And let's try this again. And let's take it out of the cookie cutter. Is this it? Oh, now I got it. Look at my zebra. What does the zebra say? I don't know actually. But look, the zebra came out so cool. Zebra! Muffy, honey, we're all done molding the dough. So I think you can take off the cone, sweetheart. Yeah, thank you, Nana. No more cone. Oh, that's my girl. Oh no, Muffy, not again.